Good day, engineers! Okay, so welcome back sa ating calculator techniques for differential calculus. And for today's video, we will discuss the second derivatives. Okay, question number 1. Calculate the second derivative with respect to x. Y is equals to e raised to x cosine of x. So, paano nga ba kapag second derivative na yung i-calculate natin? So, first one is that, ayun, if gagawin mo muna itong gagawin mo muna siyang, ayan, gagamitin mo ulit yung ddx function, tas i-enter mo tong function ni y, dilagay mo dito yung e raised to x cosine of x. Tapos, ang x mo dito is kahit 1.1. Okay, ito i-store mo to sa a. Then mamaya, i-recall mo yung function, kasi kailangan natin dito ng dalawang value ng x. So, yung isa is 1.1, yung isa yung approximately equal to 1.1, yung parang ginagawa natin sa limits. Okay. So, another value is yung ddx, e raised to x, cosine of x, enter mo ulit yung equation. Then, ang x naman dito ay 1.1 plus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay. Ayan yung limit na gagamitin mo sa ikalawa. I-store mo to sa b. Then, after nyan, is gagamitin natin yung formula for second derivative. Yun yung sinasabi nating b minus a all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ano ito x sub 2 at x sub 1? Yung x sub 2, itong nasa b, yung 1.1 plus 1 times ito na negative 5, yung second limit. Then, yung x sub 1 is 1.1. So, to simplify it, since parehas naman silang 1.1, pag pinag-minus mo yan, magiging ganito na lang yan. b minus a all over 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay, sa calcu na tayo. Paano sa calcu? Enter mo lang, sundan mo lang yung steps na sinabi ko. Okay, ddx, e raised to x, alpha e yun na, cosine of x. Okay, ang x ay 1.1, press equals, then, store mo sa a. Okay, recall mo yung function, i-press mo lang yung replay, then ito, 1.1 plus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay, store mo naman to sa b. Press AC, then b minus a all over 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Press equals, i-store mo naman to ngayon sa C. Okay, press EC ulit. Then, pili ka na ng choice. Let's say choice A. Ang choice A ay, negative 2 alpha E raised to X sin X. Okay, press calc. X is 1.1. 1.1 pa rin naman yung gagamitin natin. Okay, then i-divide mo to by C. I-divide mo yung answer by C. Okay, siya yung pinakamalapit sa 1. Pero hindi pa din tayo sure. Malay mo may magsaktong 1, di ba? Okay. Then, choose another choice. Try mo lang. 2 e raised to x cosine of x. Okay, press calc ulit. 1.1. Then, i-divide mo ito by c. Kasi doon nakastore yung second differentiation mo dito sa function. Okay, negative 0.5. Malayo na. Okay, x na agad si c. X na. Okay, si letter B pala yun, sorry. Si letter B, X na. So, letter C naman is negative 4 alpha E X, ano ba yun? Sin X, okay. Mali. Sin of X, okay. Press equals for the calc. Ayan, calc muna pala, sorry. Calc muna, 1.1, then equals. Okay, then i-divide mo siya sa C. 1.999, mali na agad. Okay, X na din to. Hindi siya approximately equal to 1. So, letter D, 4e raised to x cosine of x. Press calc, 1.1, yun yung value natin kanina. Press equals, then i-divide mo ng C. Ayan, negative 1.01, mali pa rin dahil dapat approximately equal to 1. So, X na din tong sa choice D. So, ang answer talaga dito is letter A. Okay. Ayan, yung sinasabi kong formula sa inyo. Sorry, nakasulat pala dito. Ayan, yung formula na dinerive natin. Okay, ang answer dito is letter A. Negative 2ex sine of x. Okay, kung may questions kayo, again, there is my email and my Facebook page. You can message me there. Thank you for listening and see you on the next calculator technique video.